Today we'll have a look at 4 BHK plus servant, 3,284 square feet of flat in Ambience Tiverton. If we talk specifically about the flat, there are only 2 flats per floor and there are 3 lifts. All the configurations have a servant room next to it. If we talk about the servant room is outside the main flat area and it has a separate entrance. The servant room is 8.8 feet by 5.11 feet and the washroom is 5.11 feet by 4.5 feet. If we talk about all the rooms would have POP puning with plastic emulsion paint or texture finish on the walls. Flooring would be of imported marble, and along with that all the rooms would have designer wardrobes or almirahs. Fitting on doors, windows and almirahs will be of the highest quality or imported make. As we enter through the main door, one bedroom and kitchen are just at the beginning of the corridor, and after that is the living room and the drawing room. We'll have a look at the bedroom and the kitchen towards the end after having a look at the first 3 bedrooms. After entering the flat, we head directly to the living room through the corridor, and the living room is 17.3 feet by 12.4 feet. The balcony of the living room is 31.10 feet by 3 feet. And this balcony connects with the first bedroom as well. Opposite the living room is the dining room, which is 15.5 feet by 10 feet, and the balcony which runs along with it is 13.9 feet by 5 feet. Next to the bedrooms, we have a small store area which is 5.3 feet by 3.5 feet. The first bedroom is 19.10 feet by 10.6 feet. The woodwork will be provided in all the bedrooms. This bedroom has an attached balcony This bedroom has an attached bathroom which is 8 feet by 5.2 feet. If we talk about all the bathrooms would have single lever branded fittings along with shower with toughened glass or cubicle bathtub as per design. Bathrooms would also have imported WC and wash basin. It would also have exhaust fans, mirror, towel rack, rod and ring accessories. Also, geysers of Venus, heavy duty or equivalent would be provided in all the bathrooms. The walls would also have high quality granite tiles or Italian marble or texture paint up to the ceiling. The second bedroom is 15.5 feet by 13 feet. The bedroom has a dressing area which is 7.3 feet by 6.7 feet and all the woodwork would be done. This room has a balcony attached which is 6.7 feet by 5 feet. The next bedroom is 11.6 feet by 10.8 feet. The bathroom attached to this bedroom is 11.8 feet by 5 feet. The balcony attached to this room is connected to the previous room and which is 13.9 feet by 5 feet. We head back to the entry of the flat. At the entry corridor, you have a powder room which is 4.9 feet by 4.9 feet. The bedroom which is at the entry of the flat is 13.7 feet by 10.8 feet. The room has a balcony which is connected to the living room and has a dimension of 13.10 feet by 3 feet. The bathroom has a dimension of 13.7 feet by 10.8 feet. Kitchen has a dimension of 10.10 feet by 9 feet. The kitchen would be a designer modular kitchen which will be fitted with high-end cooking range, microwave oven, refrigerator, RO system, garbage crusher, washing machine with dryer. It would also have chimney with exhaust fans, geysers, along with modular woodwork and fittings. Floor, counter and the walls will be a combination of high-quality granite or imported marble. It would also have a double bowl stainless sink with a drain board. It would also have single level hot and cold water along with a provision for piped gas supply. There is a separate clothes washing area which has been provided through the utility balcony. As you leave the kitchen and head to the utility balcony, there's a small space for the washing machine which can be used for washing the clothes. If we overall talk about the flat, it's a spacious 4 BHK plus servant flat and at a prime location of Sector 50 and with all the modern amenities which a flat and a society should have. Considering all of these factors and the price range at which it is available, it can be considered a good buy option.